Hi, and welcome back to the second installment of the Virbela tutorials. My name is Magnus, and I'm one of the student helpers who's organizing the Conference of Tone and Intonation. In this video, I'll take you through character creation, how to control your characters, and how to navigate the world of Virbela in general. In the last video, we went to the Virbela website, we created an account, we filled out the registration form that went along with the account, we downloaded the program, we waited for the update, and we're now ready. We're all set. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so this is where we start. The logging in. So as we did in the last video, we're going to put in the email that we used to create our account. And this is where we come in, the character creation screen. When you first come in, your character will probably look very different and be randomized to a certain degree. And now I'm going to take you through the different options that you have when creating your character, or avatar, as Virbela calls it. So the avatar should probably be a reflection of you. That's at least how I've designed my character. And yeah, let me just take you through the steps. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to hit the randomized character so that I start with a new template. So the first option you have is change body. As you can see, what this changes is the sex of your character. Next up, there is the headwear of your character. This is where you customize if your character should wear a hat. You can also change the color of this headwear. Next up is the hairstyle. Now I'll go with a hat and hairstyle, specific hairstyle combo, seeing that the hair that I have in real life, they don't have the specific template of. So I sometimes wear a white hat, so I'm gonna have my avatar wear a white hat also. This way I'll also be easy to spot if you see me inside the program. Keep in mind that anytime during the creation of your character, you can always rotate and have a look at the options that you're choosing by using the arrow keys, as you can see displayed on the screen. All right. Next up from hairstyles is the eye color. When you've then finished with your creation, you simply hit save and exit, and then you'll be taken into the world itself. Important to keep in mind is that you can always come back and change your character. So if you, first up, when you start out, select an outfit and how you look, and then you enter the world and you enter the team suite where, you know, all the tone and intonation people will find themselves, and you find that, oh, maybe I look a bit too formal, or maybe I'm not formal enough, you can always go back and change your avatar, how they look. And in order to do this, you simply click on the cogwheel in the corner and then click change avatar. That one will always be there. Maybe a good idea before we head into the world is also to make sure that in our audio settings, our active microphone is set to the microphone that we use for our computer. I think if you click controlled by Windows, your computer will, or the program will figure out your default microphone on its own. But just to make sure, I've at least selected the microphone that I typically use, which is a live webcam. Otherwise, the rest of these settings, I'm not gonna do anything with right now. You can always go in and change it for your needs specifically, if something is too loud or too low. But without further ado, let's hit save and exit. All right, we're now in the world of Virbela. To be continued.